one more little video to solve the problem. They are getting a little bit harder. So we've got, I hope the colors you can see on this video. Can we have maybe some of the lights in the back? Switch off the light in the back. I'll just pause that. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so we've got a semi-sphere, a half a sphere, and a cone trapped in it. We told that this is, by the way, page 255E. So we told the radius is 20, and the distance from the center of the base of the cone to the top is 2. So the first step you're going to say, okay, if this is 20, remember that's the radius of the sphere. What is the radius of the sphere? Is the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on the sphere. So to here is 20, but also to here is 20. So if from here to here is 20 and from here to here is 2, then that means from here to here it's 18. What is here to here? That's basically the height of the cone. Okay, so you know the height of the cone is 18. So we are asked, by the way, to calculate the volume of the cone. The volume of the cone is going to be pi r squared, where r is the radius. We still need to figure out that radius, times h, okay, the height of the cone, divided by 3. Okay? So the h we already know. Okay? The h we know it's 18. But we're looking for r. How would I find r? Okay, it is Pythagoras, but we need to think which triangle. So the triangle we're going to work with is what I'm going to do in blue. Okay, so we want to know r. We already know that this is 18, but we don't know what this side is. But actually we do. Because what is that line? It's from the center of the sphere to the edge of the sphere, to the surface of the sphere. So that's also 20. That's the radius of the sphere. So now I can figure out r. R squared plus 18 squared equals 20 squared. Can I do a little trick here? Let's think about it. No, I don't think so. I just need a calculator. R equals square root of 20 squared minus 18 squared. Okay. And to be honest, I'm squaring that r. Okay. So I'll write it down. So I'm going to do square root of 20 squared minus 18 squared. I would personally recommend for you to write it like this. Then it's clear for me, an examiner, that I can see that you just know that this is how you find r. Instead of putting a number. If you put the number and the number is wrong, then I didn't know that you calculated r this way. And time height, which is, what would you say, is 18. Okay? Now, what is the square or the square of the square root? Simply the number inside it. Okay, so it's going to be, I'll put 18 pi divided by 3 times 20 squared minus 18 squared. Now you can put in a calculator. Sure you'll manage. Okay? I'll pause here. We'll see if there's any more problems we need to go through.